Welcome to Mirage Facial Livestock Farm. Today my focus is on how to prevent mortality rate in our poultry farm using herbs remedy. Note is important to follow biosecurity, good hygiene and vaccination programs. Our herbs remedy is papaya leaf and neem leaf. You will wash them properly before you blend them together. After blending the leaves together, you will sieve the mixture to extract the juice. Once the juice is ready, you can mix 1 liter of this juice with 5 liters of water and feed your chickens. Apply this remedy after their first vaccination programs, which is like 8 or 9 days of brooding. It's very important to build your chicks' immune system against any disease.